dumpster rental service in Starke, Florida. If you're looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in Starke, Florida, Freedom Dumpsters Plus is here to simplify your waste disposal needs. Whether you're working on a home renovation, yard cleanup, or construction project, their team offers dependable and professional service. With a strong focus on customer satisfaction, they ensure a smooth process, from scheduling delivery to the final pickup. As a veteran-owned business, Freedom Dumpsters Plus prides itself on integrity and efficiency, ensuring every customer receives top-quality service. Their experienced team understands the unique waste management challenges in the Starke area and is ready to provide solutions tailored to your project. Conveniently located and locally owned, they're the go-to provider for residential and commercial dumpster rental needs. For a hassle-free experience, call Freedom Dumpsters Plus today at 904-892-5362 to schedule your dumpster rental. Make your cleanup project stress-free with their trusted services.